Welcome back beauties, and in today's video I'll be reviewing this foot bath, and this is from the brand called HoMedics, and you can get it at Walmart as well, but I got mine from Sam's Club. It was $60 there, and that's how it looks like. It comes with a digital display and couple of options. It says that it heats water, but it just maintains the temperature, and you do have heat controls like so. Then you have a vibration and bubbling and on off switch. So that's how it looks like. I'll be reviewing it for you guys today and showing you how the actual thing works. So guys, this is the actual unit. So as you can see, it has a foot scrubber to scrub your feet, and this is pumice stone, and you can just remove it, and after you remove this you can attach any of these attachments. This is good for massaging. These balls are like moving, so this will massage your feet, and this is like scrubby thing, very scrubby. And here you can attach your pumice stone if you do not use it right here. And here are feet things, and you can remove this as well, like this thing comes off, and then you have a different thing, like this thing comes off totally, and then you have other attachment which you can put here, which is like has similar texture like this. So these ones are like a revolving thing. You can revolve and have a good massage, but you're not willing to do so, you just want to soak your feet, you can attach those things, and it will have similar texture, and you can put your feet there and scrub it. So same goes for that thing too. And here you have this max fill line right here, and you should be able to fill your tub till here without spilling anything out, and it creates a lot of bubbles and your feet get covered in water. I'll show you in a little bit. And here is the control panel, as I was telling you. So that's that. Now I'll just move on to the demo part. Hey guys, here you can see this foot spa, and I filled it up with warm water. Now I'll just put my feet inside, and you can see cord is pretty long, and it's good. Now it's time to put your feet inside, and this is the extension I was talking about. It's like good if you just want to soak in your feet. Ow, and water is like pretty warm. So I haven't started this thing. I'll just put this button on, and it's on, but you cannot see anything on the screen right here. It will only be visible when you put on the heat. And now I'm putting on the bubbles, so you can see the bubbles. These are good. Like my feet are 5'5" or like 6, and I have plenty room in here, so you can see the bubbles and everything. If you put on that roller extension, you can roll your feet and it will massage your feet, and it's so relaxing like so. And then you can put on vibration as well. So I hope you can see there is vibration in the water and the bubble. And here is the heat function. Now it says heat is L1. You can increase it L2, L3. L3 is highest, and it will maintain the temperature of water, but on the packaging it says it heat boost. I don't know what does that mean, because I have seen that temperature of water getting lowered, and it was not able to maintain the warm temperature which I initially put in. So that's how this foot spa looks like, and you can always rub your feet like so on this. It's quite ergonomic. And then you can rub your feet on this pumice stone, but I don't think it works, because last time too when I did it I was not able to record it, but it didn't work. I'll be needing some external help with that stone there. And you can see caddy right here. You can remove these extensions and put them right here and see what happens. Like, it's quite easy. So guys, I just put on this brush thing, this rubber brush, and let's go. I think brush is working better than that stone. But you can see what happened to it in just one use. I hope it will regain its shape. It's like all destroyed in just single use. That's not good, considering the fact that I paid $60 for this thing. This should work. And one good thing about this foot spa is it has a cutoff time of 30 minutes. So whenever you are doing this foot spa, after 30 minutes it will just shut off, and to restart you will have to unplug and then plug it back and it will start. So that's a good thing. So you can also put in shampoo or salt or anything you want to soak your feet in, and you can see my feet are submerged in, and that's how much water is allowed in this foot spa. And it's not spilling anywhere, so I'm cool about it. I'm doing it on my rug, so it better not spill. And I have done like use this thing 2 or 3 times before, just to see how I like it. If you ask me, provided with all the features, I don't think I like it, because you can see all these attachments right here, they don't work that much. And this thing, I just use it for first time, and you can see how it is. The good thing about this spa is it vibrates and bubbles very nicely. So if you want that's good. And these things are scrubby as well, you can rub your feet there. And heat thing, I found a problem there. I don't think it maintains the temperature of water or increase that temperature, so you have to put in hot water in this thing. So after paying $60, I expected it to heat my water, so it's not doing that. And I think I can soak my feet in tub and results are almost the same. And I still have to use pumice stone externally, a brush, everything. I don't think attachments in here are helping me. It's just that you get nice bubbles and vibrations while using this thing. So those are my views on this thing, guys. I hope they'll help you guys to make your decision. And that was all for this video, guys. I'll get you in the next